afternoon, everyone. I want to thank you so much and join you in and welcome you to actually today's video. So today I'm actually going to be speaking about the benefits of using collagen. Now, this question comes up a lot, and through the years, I've discussed on here on my social media platforms that I love collagen, and in the last couple of years, there has been such a major shift of so many companies coming out with collagen, right? Collagen peptides, collagen on the market. So today I want to do just a little brief video on the benefits of using collagen, why I like it, and what it's good for, okay? So this week, I really touched base on a lot of skincare. Now, I did go into some makeup, but we really did a deep dive in a couple of really nice topics. So remember, you can just scroll down and get the other videos that I did this week. Let's go into a little bit about collagen peptides, what I like about them. So when it comes to glowing skin, and again, anything that I'm discussing with all of you with skin, there's such a strong correlation between skincare and your gut health, okay? The gut is the second brain, and it is very important that you know what you're putting in your body every day. Now, it's not for everyone to eat super clean, but if you try a little bit and take a look at some of the products that you're ingesting or some of the foods that you're ingesting every day, this will give you the opportunity to see really what you're eating and how it's affecting you. Because the biggest thing I hear from people is, yeah, I eat great. And then all of a sudden they get this coffee from the coffee shop that's like 5,000 calories, has a ton of sugar, a ton of dairy, a ton of really bad ingredients, and they think it's just really no big deal. That is a huge factor because what you're putting in your gut is going to come out onto your skin. And you really should have some fun. I'm not saying not to have a drink, not to have a certain type of coffee drink or a latte or whatever it is, but just take notice of what you're doing. So let's get on to collagen, why I like it. So collagen is high in amino acids, and that is really, really important for your skin and your hair and nails. So I always do referencing everything back to skin because I absolutely love talking about skincare because that's the foundation of glowing skin. That's what's gonna help, that's the foundation for great makeup application. Sorry guys, I'm on fire today. I've been having so many conversations about skincare. Yes, you want increased amino acids. Now, the beauty of collagen is that it comes in and it increases the moisture in your skin. So especially during this time of the year, our skin tends to get a little dry, right? Now, for my oily girls on here, you might notice a drop in the amount of oils that are coming out on your skin. And that's because the skin is, the air is a little drier and colder. We're not as humid. But what's nice is that collagen comes in and increases the moisture. It helps with the elasticity in the skin, and it helps with the skin tone. So when you're looking for vibrant skin, this is a great nutrient to bring into your skin. And I love using collagen peptides because it's tasteless. It's easy for me. I just throw it in my my decaf coffee, or I put it in like a really powerhouse smoothie that I make in the morning. Excuse me, I thought I shut off my volume on here. I apologize for that. It's tasteless. But what happens is you get some increased protein in your diet, and it also is going to help the gut, and in return, it will help your skin. So it will increase, it will make your skin a little bit more vibrant. It will actually decrease the pores. So if you're suffering from pores that look really large and big, now, we can't get rid of everything, right? If you're just prone to having large pores, there's only so much that we can do for that. But what's nice is that the collagen will come in and start to actually work on the collagen reproduction of the skin, which will in turn will also help your pores, all right? So it's also great with anti-aging. If you're looking to give some nutritional value to your fine lines and wrinkles, topically, I love frankincense because it comes in and it gives you the cellular support that you need to eradicate a bad cell. But what happens is that here comes the collagen internally that you take, and it will work on the gut inside out to help you with your fine lines and wrinkles. Now, it's not going to get rid of every single wrinkle, but it's actually going to help the fine lines and the wrinkles that are on the skin. And when the skin is more moisturized, and has the nutritional value that it needs, it will start to glow and it will start to look so much better. And that's what you're aiming for, right? That's what you want. You don't want your skin to look dull. You want it to look nice. So the collagen will work on the body inside, from the inside out. So there are a couple things that I tell people, tell me what you're eating every day. And you could drop a comment down below while you're watching this. Tell me some of the foods that you're eating every day, the veggies or the carbs. I want to know what you're ingesting every day. So this way we can start maybe making some shifts, because the video I posted yesterday was 2 foods I like to avoid, which are bad for the gut, which then in turn cause issues with the skin. Let's take a look at that. What's going on? What are you eating every day? Are you guys eating avocados and veggies and fruits, or are you eating a lot of processed carbs? Are you eating stuff like that? So what's nice is that collagen comes in and will start to help the process of the gut. Now, as you know, collagen is so good for the joints and the body. Now, I'm not going to get into all of that today, but I know a lot of people will come back at me and say, thank you so much for this recommendation because it helped me with my joints so much. So anyway, and then in addition to that, you want to take a look at what your bowel movements are doing every day. It's kind of a crappy conversation to have, but I do tell people, take a look at your bowel movements. Are you having normal bowel movements every day? If not, or if they're not how they should be, then we have something going on with your gut. So that means that you're really not absorbing the foods that you eat. Okay, so collagen comes in and will help the gut start to repair itself. So there's a big connection between the gut and the skin. You know that I constantly talk about this, and it's a huge correlation between the two. So now there are many forms of collagen on the market, okay? There are powders, there are protein collagen shakes, that you could put as a smoothie. There are liquid collagens. And it can get very overwhelming when trying to buy a collagen. For me, I've always gravitated towards the powders. They have just worked very well for me. There are different classes of collagen. There's class 1, there's class 2, there's class 3, okay? It depends on their factors behind the collagen, how good they would be for you. Some are better for others versus other people. Again, it depends on what's happening in your gut too, because if your gut isn't in good alignment, you're going to have a problem actually benefiting from the collagen that you're taking. So on Tuesday night, I am so excited to announce that I am going to actually have my functional medicine doctor that I work with, Dr. Elise Tercy. She's here on Instagram and on Facebook. You guys can follow her. And I'll tag her in the description box so that you guys can check her out. But on Tuesday night, December 15th, she's going to join me at 7:30 p.m. You guys on Facebook will probably have to come over to Instagram that night to actually meet with me and her so that you can join our segment. But she's going to come in and she's actually going to tell you guys if it matters what type of collagen you're using, whether it's powder or liquid, is one better than the other, and how you can benefit from it. So from a functional medicine standpoint, she's going to come in and really do some good education for us. So I'd really like for you guys to join me on Tuesday night, because this is going to be a really great way for yourselves to educate yourself and see how you can benefit from using collagen, what is right for you, and are there any deficiencies in your body that are causing an issue for you to actually absorb the benefits of the collagen. So there's a lot of different factors here. And I just had a great conversation with her this morning, and we were going over so many different things in so many areas that when it comes to collagen, that I cannot wait for all of you to listen to what she has to say. She does see patients satellite, so you don't have to be on Long Island in Garden City to see her, so you have options, and she's open to questions too. So we're going to come in with a nice Q&A at the end of our segment, and you guys can ask any questions that you may have. So I'm just really excited because you guys know how much I love it, right? But now you get to hear from someone that is in the industry, the medical industry, that can actually bring forth some really good information for all of you to learn about collagen. So thank you so much for tuning in today, guys. And I am just so excited to see all of you on Tuesday, and I look forward to it. So hold on, my screen just ended over here. So please don't forget to check back Comment below. Let me know any questions that you have about collagen. Drop a comment here. I'll bring them forth on Tuesday for us so that she can actually answer some of those questions. And I'm excited. So I hope you guys have a wonderful Friday, and I will see all of you again with Dr. Tercy on Tuesday night. So she is all things wellness, health, holistic medicine. I mean, she is your gal, all right? And collagen isn't just for females. Collagen is for males and females. So I know there's some males on here that follow me and love to learn more about skin, even though you guys are quiet about it. So this is a great opportunity to learn more too. If you guys have a spouse, husband, boyfriend, family member that you think can benefit from this information, then please have them join and follow me and come on Tuesday night as well. So have a blessed Friday, everyone. Thank you so much for being here with me, and I cannot wait to see you guys on Tuesday night. Have a great Friday.